Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use average formula in Excel. Open the Excel file to see the data to work with. Then, select the desired cell, enter the equal sign, then use the average function and choose the range of numbers to average. When you press enter, you will see the average of that selection. If you need to, drag this formula to the other cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.